Vietnam. One of the most biodiverse countries on the planet is home to a staggering number of plants and animals. There are 25 species of primates in Vietnam, most of the red-shanked ducklanger. As the sun families typically consist of a single adult male, multiple females, and their offspring, eating leaves, flowers, and fruit. Everything they need to survive is in the top of the canopy, and with playtime over, everyone heads back to the comfort and safety of their family. As midday is approaching, the family finds a cool, protected place in the canopy to escape the sweltering heat. It is here where they will rest and while occasionally stopping to eat, they are now on the search for a familiar tree to call home for the night.
Đó là cái sự suy giảm